How to motivate yourself? First of all, let us understand what is motivation. Motivation is that feeling which induces action or determines choice. You choose to do something, and when you are motivated, you do not have any kind of hesitation. Your desire from within to do something which you need to do becomes strong. It helps you to overcome any kind of resistance in performance due to laziness, due to procrastination, or due to feeling that you do not have adequate information. Because the moment you are motivated, you will do everything possible, everything necessary for completing that task. That task should be aligned to your aim, to your goals, because that is absolutely essential. Once you know that you are doing something significant, it is very easy to have the motivation. It requires your vision. If you have a clear vision, your clear goals, and you know how to go about it, it will help you to keep yourself motivated. Ability to see the big picture. Big picture means that eventually what you want to achieve, and you see that, and you are contributing to that picture, so you will remain motivated. Another factor that you should keep in mind is that your aim is to be the best. Your aim is pursuit of excellence and nothing less than that. Pursuit of excellence will give you the desired results. What else is required for keeping yourself motivated? Integrity. Integrity means honesty. Honesty regarding everything that you say or do. Even if whenever you are saying to yourself that you have to complete this job, you should be absolutely devoted to that. So, honest. Be very honest. Don't try to find excuses. Integrity, in fact, underlines all other qualities. Which are the other qualities? Qualities like consistency, qualities like interest in the job, and having a realistic approach. Integrity underlines all other qualities. It teaches you to admit, to see your shortcomings. It teaches you how to go about improving whatever your weaknesses are. Because when you start working to remove your weaknesses, and you start working to strengthen and leverage your strengths, leverage your competencies, so that is the beginning of the progress, and that definitely keeps you motivated, because motivation is also something that keeps you enthusiastic about what you are doing, enthusiastic about life as such. Courage is also required for you keep to yourself motivated. There are some situations which put you in dilemma. You do not know which way to go. But if you have courage, then you have ability to take risk. Let me say that taking no risk is the biggest risk in life, because it doesn't let you grow. Incredible courage is required to follow through your vision and honor your commitments. Courage is also required to maintain integrity. You have to be realistic. Your goals have to be realistic, because if you set up big tasks for less time, so your motivation will not help you, because after all, you can work only as much as a person who is fully motivated can, because you can achieve only that much which a human being can achieve in 24 hours and no more. So that realistic, intellectual honesty has to be there. Your motivation helps you to stay consistent without without hoping that something fantastic will happen and you will be able to do the job. No. And you are also not doing it for any extra rewards. You are doing it because it is your aim. You are doing it because it is aligned with your ultimate goals. You should not play blame game if things do not work as desired. You should be straightforward, upright, and accept the responsibility. Great success and failure, sometimes the distance between the two is a hairline. So remember that. Therefore, if you are totally accountable, responsible, if you are fully engaged, and if you are consistent, and if you are able to persevere, you are bound to be successful. And let me also say that small things are important. Actually, small successes only make a big story, a big success. So don't take anything for granted and focus on all small or big things, keeping in mind the big picture, keeping in mind your goals, keeping in mind your vision.